everyone. We have Karthik here today with us, and he is here to share his success story on the manifestation of launching his own business as well as several other progresses in his career. So, Karthik had been writing his affirmations and unlearning for 21 days, and along with that, he was doing some visualization for his end picture of starting his business. And that business is of manufacturing and selling chickies and a few other products as well, which Karthik will be telling us about. He had been trying this for a long time before he started this manifestation as well, but there were always certain obstacles that stopped him from achieving his end desire. And ultimately, he did launch his business. So today, he is a very successful businessman, and he has just started off and he's doing pretty well. So not just that, he has also gotten a lot of different kind of progresses in his own career, which is his job currently. And thank you so much, Karthik, for being here today. And I would request you to share your success story with the audience.
Thank you, Niranjani. Thank you for inviting me here. So, first of all, good evening for everyone. So, myself, Karthik, I'm basically from Bangalore. So, as Niranjani said, yes, my life was completely with hiccups and everything. So, once I started with explaining my issues and my hiccups with Niranjani, so she given me all the sessions and everything. That particular time, what I started writing the affirmations, doing the end pictures and everything. On the particular time, first 2 or 3 days, trust me on this, it was really hard. So even I explained the scenario, what Niranjani is happening and everything. So then immediately she said, okay, Karthik, if this is not suiting you best, so try this way. So then when I tried the alternative way, yes, it changes, it gave me a very lot of changes, not only with my life, with my present career, because as I explained earlier, for the last 3 to 4 years, I was not able to stick to any job. But after getting a consultation with Niranjani, now I completed almost like one and a half year completed here, and very recently I got promoted as a zonal head for now. So I'm handling the modern trade and e-commerce for Pan India. So that is one big news. With a very good whatever the numbers as a salary as I expected, that the same digit numbers has been here for me. And second, I started trying to build my own manufacturing setup, but from last 2 years I was not successful at all. Whatever the investment was there, it was 90% was getting completed, but the remaining the 10% was always lacking. So now I've started my own firm now. So trust me, Niranjani, I'm doing very good with numbers. So within 1.5, I think 2 months is completed now. So with the chickies order only, I'm getting almost like I can say 57 to 56 lakhs in and out, and the wet dates. I'm not sure whether people will trust me or what, because I got the order of 2 crores now.
That is just wonderful news. And how long has it been since you actually started this?
No, started, I think so. It's almost like 3 months is completed now.
And within 3 months, you got an order of more than 2 crores already.
Yes. So now I'm fighting with my onboarding vendor to fulfill the orders. Now with that particular struggling, but trust me, it's really helped me with your support. I don't know how to thank you on this, but I'm always loyal on this one, because without you, I've gone through many hiccups and many hurdles, Niranjani. It's very odd to say whether you want to take it as you're over pushing or something like that, but I'm talking from deep my heart. Your affirmations and testimonies really helped me a lot.
Thank
you
so much.
Once again.
Thank you so much. I think I cannot take all the credit. I understand you went through a lot of challenges in the beginning. You told me also several times that, Niranjani, I'm not being able to do this. I'm not being able to connect with this unlearning. And there were certain hiccups that you were facing with the tasks that I had given to you. But the fact that you were so persistent with it and you were so willing to work on this to manifest what you actually want, to see that it has already happened. And
Yes.
in spite of all the circumstances that came your way, where you could have backed out and you could have just left the entire thing, you still stuck to it, and you still stuck to your end picture is the biggest thing, and that is all you. So Karthik, I believe that you have done a miracle over here. I mean, to be manifesting such a huge thing in the first attempt, that too. And I believe you have never done something like this before. You've never tried manifestation, right?
Never, never, never. We used to see the big numbers just like if you see a movie Padiyappa, I always imagine how the bloody people will just complete within one song from beggar to the rich people. So this is what it's all about, the manifestation. When you do the mind, when you're doing the manifestation, trust me, it will happen and it's happening. I am the live example. It is happening, yes.
Coming back to your manifestation story, I believe that when you started this entire task, when you started with your manifestation, affirmations, your visualization, you were focusing only on your business. You wanted to open up your business, and that was your main focus.
Yes.
But you also saw that a lot of different things happened in your career, which, like in your current job, you also started seeing a lot of different things that came up. The energy was cleared up, and like you said, you got promoted. I think you closed big numbers also for a certain partner, right? Or with a certain partner. And that was, I think, one of the biggest orders that you have ever gotten in your job, right?
For the brand, yes.
Yes. So I remember that in the tasks that I had shared with you, there were certain things regarding appreciations and being recognized, being acknowledged for your work. And I believe that did happen. So would you like to say something about that?
No, it was like a Deepavali gift hamper for me though, because I was focused only on the manufacturing setup and to bring the investor a lot on this. But when I was doing myself, it was like a crystal light. It has been given a complimentary offer, something like that. So not only with the business what I've been, it's fruitful, but in the same manner, my many hiccups has been cleared. My promotion, that is completely unacceptable because they said it was going to be in the March, but within this November only we got it. And second thing, not only with that, with all the XYZ, the orders, every time we used to request many buyers to, Hare Baba, please give me order, please give me order. Now it's not, it's completely the opposite side. Now, if people are calling me, Karthik, why you're not dispatching the orders? So it is completely, it was these boys are completely, how to say, the entire thing has been completely flexed out now. So I don't know, because I'm completely overjoyed here. I'm not able to pronounce properly also on this particular time on this.
Oh my God, this is amazing. And so things have started moving on auto mode for you, right?
Yes.
That's wonderful. That's actually very unexpected, in the sense that you were focusing only on your opening of your business, but actually there were so many other things that came along with it.
Yes.
And that just shows that the way you cleared up your energy, the way you manifested one thing, actually brought you so many other things as well to be grateful for.
And even in the same manner, sorry to interrupt. In the same manner, when I told you about my migraines also, I used to take the tablet every day, but almost like now from last 21, 22 days, I'm not even take one single tablet also for that now.
That's amazing. Many congratulations to you.
Yes, my livers are thanking me on this.
Okay, so I know you to be a very grateful person, and the number of times that you have expressed your gratitude to me and the way that you have expressed it, I can only imagine how much gratitude you must have expressed to your God, the universe, and to this entire business of yours, that so many other things have happened for you. And for the audience, the more grateful you are for anything, the more reasons you will get to be grateful for. And that's exactly what happened with Karthik. He was manifesting his business. He was being grateful. He was in his visualization. He was practicing gratitude, and he was seeing that his end picture has already manifested. It is a reality now. And for that, he was showing his gratitude. Now, with that gratitude, the universe responded in such a way that it gave him more reasons to be grateful for. It gave him a promotion in his current job. It gave him the biggest order that his company had ever seen. It gave him a lot of appreciation and recognition from his colleagues, from his supervisor, and a lot of things opened up for him. And not just that, even when he started manifesting his business, like when it actually did start and it opened up, there were certain things that Karthik wanted in his desire, but it didn't exactly work out like that. Still, the business did start, and Karthik was so grateful for it that now today he told me just before this call that he has actually manifested exactly what he wanted. And well, Karthik, a huge congratulations to you on all your successes, and thank you for being so persistent, so consistent with this entire thing, and for having so much faith in the process and in me. So I'm very grateful to you. Thank you so much, Karthik.
Need to thank you on this because I don't know how to say the gratitude, but trust me, when I talk now, I'm not able to express my 100% gratitude here. But the one thing is that very shortly, I think within February, I'm going to build up my own manufacturing plant and everything. So I'm just finalizing the property either in Mysore Road or in Hoskote. So 3 locations are being yet to finalize. So I'm finalizing it. It will be almost like 20,000 square feet property. So it will be bigger the part is there. So looking for the best. Definitely again I will come back to you. I need to take you to my factory. I need to show what all with your manifestation, with your support. I need to show the entire thing for the entire people what I have completely achieved from your guidance.
Thank you so much.
I need this on you. You should never say no on this.
I will definitely be there, Karthik. When you invite me, I'm going to be there, and I'll be more than happy to see your success and your success as a reality in front of my eyes. I would be more than happy. I would be more than grateful, and looking forward to it.
Honor is mine always.
Thank you so much for this, Karthik.
Thank you.